Welcome to CAMS Kalvi channel. In the video, 10th standard economics unit 5 industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu. The lesson book pack questions, PTA questions. Choose the correct answer. The Detroit of Asia is Chennai. Pump sets and motors are produced mostly in Coimbatore. Industry are an essential aspect of a nation's development. Tirupur is known as knitwear, a successful industrial cluster entirely created by the Tamil Nadu is Hosur. Fill in the blanks. Hundreds of leather and tannery facilities are located around Vellore district in Tamil Nadu. Special economic zones policy was introduced in April 2000. Entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business processes. Pick out odd one. Which one of the following is not having leather factories? Dharmaburi. Which one of the following is not an industrial development agency? MEPZ. Match the following. Entrepreneur Organizer, MEPZ. Export Processing Zone, Indian Ordnance Factory, Aravan-Kadu, TNPL, Karur, Manchester of South India, Coimbatore. Right short answer. Why are wages low in the agricultural sector? There are limits to the ability of agriculture to absorb labor due to the declining marginal productivity of land. As a result, labor productivity in the agricultural sector cannot increase much. Wages too cannot therefore increase, and as a result poverty levels may remain high, especially when more and more people continue to rely on agriculture for their livelihood. What is meant by an industrial cluster? Industrial clusters are groups of firms in a defined geographic area that share common markets, technologies and skill requirements. An important aspect of clusters is the nature of inter-firm networks and interactions. Third question, what are the roots for cluster information? Certain clusters evolved over a long time in history when artisans settled in one locality and evolved over centuries. When a large firm is established, a cluster of firms may emerge to take care of its input and service requirements. Governments may decide to encourage manufacturing using raw materials from a region, which may also lead to emergence of clusters. Fourth question, mention any 3 industrial development agencies in Tamil Nadu and their role. SIPCOT, State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu, was formed in the year 1971 to promote industrial growth in the state by setting up industrial estates. TANSIDCO, Tamil Nadu Small Industries Development Corporation. TANSIDCO is a state agency of the state of Tamil Nadu, established in the year 1970 to promote small-scale industries in the state. TIDCO, Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation. TIDCO is another government agency to promote industries in the state and to establish industrial estates. Fifth question, what are the problems of industrialization currently in Tamil Nadu? Some clusters tend to generate a lot of polluting effluents that affect health and effluents pollute water bodies and agricultural lands. Employment generation potential has declined because of use of frontier technologies because of the need to compete globally. Quality of employment also has suffered in recent years as most workers are employed only temporarily. Sixth question, what is meant by entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business processes. He possesses management skills, strong team building abilities and essential leadership qualities to manage a business. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. It is the ability to create and build something. Sixth Roman, write brief answer, detail. What are the important characteristics of successful industrial clusters? The following are the chief characteristics of a successful cluster. Geographical proximity of small and medium enterprises, sectoral specialization, close interfirm collaboration, interfirm competition based on innovation, a socio-cultural identity which facilitates trust, multi-skilled workforce, active self-help organization and supportive regional and municipal governments. Write about the textile industry clusters in Tamil Nadu. Textile cluster. Tamil Nadu is home to the largest textile sector in the country. Because of the development of cotton textile industry since the colonial period, Coimbatore often referred as the Manchester of South India. Tamil Nadu is the biggest producer of cotton yarn in the country. Power loom is, however, more widespread, with Erode and Salem region too having a large number of power loom units. Tirupur is famous for clustering of a large number of firms producing cotton knitwear. It accounts for nearly 80% of the country's cotton knitwear exports and generates employment. It is also a major producer for the domestic market. Karur is a major center of exports of home furnishing like table cloth, curtains, bed covers and towels. Bhavani and Kumarapalayam are major centers of production of carpets both for domestic and the global markets. Apart from such modern clusters, there are also traditional artisanal clusters such as Madurai and Kanchipuram that are famous for silk and cotton handloom sarees. Third detail, write in detail about the types of policies adopted by the Tamil Nadu government to industrialize. Policy factors can be divided into three aspects. Education. Industries require skilled human resources. Apart from a lot of attention to primary education to promote literacy and basic arithmetic skills, the state is known for its vast supply of technical human resources. It is home to one of the largest number of engineering colleges, polytechnics and industrial training centers in the country. Infrastructure. The widespread diffusion of electrification has contributed to the spread of industrialization to smaller towns and villages in the state. Along with electrification, Tamil Nadu is known for its excellent transport infrastructure, especially minor roads that connect rural parts of the state to nearby towns and cities. A combination of public and private transport has also facilitated rural to urban connectivity and therefore connects small producers to market better. Industrial promotion. Apart from investments in education and transport and energy infrastructure, active policy efforts were made to promote specific sectors and also industrialization in specific region. Policies to promote specific sector like automobile, auto components, biotechnology and information and communication technology sectors have been formulated in the post-reform period. In addition, the state has put in place several industrial promotion agencies for both large enterprises and small and medium segments, as well as to provide support in infrastructure. Fourth detail, explain the role of entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs play a most important role in the economic growth and development of the country's economy. They promote development of industries and help to remove regional disparities by industrializing rural and backward areas. They help the country to increase GDP and per capita income. They contribute towards the development of society by reducing concentration of income and wealth. They promote capital formation by mobilizing the idle savings of the citizens and countries' export trade. Entrepreneurs provide large-scale employment to artisans, technically qualified persons and professionals, and work in the environment of changing technology and try to maximize profits by innovations. They enable the people to avail better quality goods at lower prices, which results in the improvement of their standard of living. PTA questions and answers 1 mark. TNSI was formed to look after small scale industries. Government exam questions and answers. Sivakasi fondly calls as Little Japan. இதோட யூனிட் 5 வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோல ஹிஸ்டரி பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.